warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, good afternoon. My name is Hanifa Rizmiatun. You can call me Hanifa. I am from the Ahmad Dahlan University Elementary School Teacher Education Study Program. This time, I will tell you the story about Abu Nawas was accused of stealing. Let's look at it together. Abu Nawas is very famous for its cleverness in solving the coin. So, is the story of this one, Abu Nawas overwritten problems, believed and accused of stealing. Will the Abu Nawas is able to resolve this matter? Here's her story. One day, si Fulan came into the king palace Harun al-Rashid. He is recently harbored a sense of revenge to Abu Nawas. After meeting with the king, so he tells the story about the meaning of his return. Your Majesty, I would like to report a misdeed of one people trust you, said si Fulan. Who is he and what the has done? Asked the king. He is a confidant of Paduka, namely Abu Nawas. She has been doing indency that still the god necklace I am, replied the Fulan. The king was surprised and asked, and si Fulan tells what happened. This is glorious. It looked like Abu Nawas had long coveted the gold necklace He originally wanted to buy the necklace, but the servant did not want to sell it, prayed si Fulan. Here the incitement that person, Abu Nawas, ever directly called into court. Arriving at the place, the king ordered the soldiers to imprison Abu Nawas. Wait a minute, actually it is no, Your Majesty. What until so angry to me? Said Abu Nawas while confusion. Here the Abu Nawas greeting the king of the red sword. Dare you ask like that? Well then you have to steal the necklace si Fulan, snapped King si Fulan, pointing that not far from the king. Not Your Majesty, for what I stole her necklace, agent Abu Nawas. Abu Nawas is starting to realize that the head malignant. The proof, these people carry a scarf of yours, and I've seen to wear it, said king. Abu Nawas is indeed the owner of the soul, but it's been today sold the last stolen by someone. He's already tried to explain several times until it's long, but I think his efforts in vain only. Beheaded or hung. The next day, and because of the larger number of incitement that revealed the Fulan into the king, finally Abu Nawas was sentenced to death. In addition, she also wanted to test the Abu Nawas brain in this matter. It's time the death penalty is given. Shortly before the death sentence was carried out, the king had asked what the last request Abu Nawas. And it turns on this moment that Palki awaited by the Abu Nawas. Abu Nawas has not given the chance to vote for the death penalty itself. I asked when the option right, the servant of servant willing to put to an angular. But if the servant is considered wrong, then slaves were hanged, said Abu Nawas pleaded. You are a strange people. The precious moment still only got around to tell King Benter. However, you lies cannot save you, said the king. I wasn't talking Benter, Your Majesty, said Abu Nawas. More king loud, but it is not finished, Abu Nawas shouted with a loud voice. I asked the Punished and Angular. I asked the Punished and Angular. All those who were present when it was meant to shoot. They wondered why the Abu Nawas make decisions like that. Meanwhile, the king began to suspect and Onche began to think about the sentence the last request from Abu Nawas. The king, the servant had said that the servant will be brought to an angular if Pilisen is true. Then the servant of the servant punished an angular. But where is the location of the error option? To the slave should be hanged. When the servant select sentence, an angular explained Abu Nawas. Unsuspect by said Abu Nawas makes, the king was astonished and meandry. Inside the king acknowledged the greatness of Abu Nawas, and furthermore, the problem still solved again. Serlang a few days later turned out to be Abu Nawas just believed just by Saifulan. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.